Welcome to our channel. Today we learn some Phrasal verbs with examples. Check off. Make a mark next to. Check each name of the list. Read off. Read loud from a list. I read number of the office. Pass out. Become unconscious. Ali passed out because the room was so cold. Carry on. Continue. Carry on. Please did not interrupt you. Come back. What time are you coming back? Return. Let on. Make clear ambience. I do not want to let on. How rich you are. Keep in. Not allow someone out. Children were kept in after academy. Give forth. Emit and release something. The sunflower give forth where he had sent at this time. Do over. Repeat. My colleague made many mistakes, so I want to do the report over. Come across. Discover by accident. I come across a bike I did never seen before. Wipe out. To destroy something completely. People worry climate change will wipe out the certain countries. Cheer up. Make happier. Do you want me to cheer up you up? Pass away. Die. I passed away last year. Easy off. To gradually stop and become less. Traffic usually easy off about 5 am. Hand out. To distribute. One of my job to hand out the coins. At all. Not a bit. You are not working at all. Above all. Before anything else. Above all, do not be rude of your teachers. At random. Without any aim. You should not to do things at random. By and large. Usually, generally. By and large, sunflower bushes need lot of cares. Out and out, completely everything, every inch. Ali is out and out alive. Set aside. To reserve something for particular aim. Ali set aside money for his kids' futures. Come back. Return. What time are you coming back? Let down. Length. Lantern. My tailor let my pant down. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.